Advocates in the Chinatown-International District who have been fighting against the shelter expansion were surprised by today's move, but say it's a step in the right direction.
Who asked us?
Nobody!
Advocates in the Chinatown-International District have been fighting for weeks to stop a nearby shelter expansion project and got the news they were hoping for.
It's something we weren't expecting. We're in it for the fight, and we won.
And others are still processing King County Executive Dow Constantine's announcement to scrub the SODO services hub expansion, a fight that hasn't been easy.
But in a way, I felt like this whole process was a bit ugly in a way. There were so many racial undertones in terms of having to deal with microaggressions and stereotypes and just trying to be heard.
The project would have provided a 24-hour sobering center, behavioral health services for 150 additional people, housing navigators, and 40 to 50 tiny homes. In recent weeks, neighbors in the Chinatown-International District raised concerns over crime and lack of communication from the county. They say it's not them versus the unhoused, but we're calling for it to be an equitable process.
They live with us here. They're our neighbors. But what isn't appropriate is the crime that comes with it, and that's what government has to address.
King County Councilmember Dunn applauding the decision, saying projects like this that would have a major impact on the surrounding community should always begin with engagement and collaboration.
While we have kind of tackled a big hurdle for the future, there's still a lot of past harm that needs to be repaired.
Executive Dow Constantine said in a statement that building trust and resolving underlying concerns in the community will take time before more services can be added, but that addressing the homeless crisis is urgent. The county says funding for the expansion has time constraints and is now working to redirect the money to other projects. Executive Constantine proposing a one-time wage boost for providers and investing in any community in the county that could quickly provide shelter, giving the Green River area of South King County as an example. While those in Chinatown-International District have a win, there's still more to fight for.
Seattle needs to do whatever they can to preserve this neighborhood and not take chunks out of it.
The county will continue to maintain the leased property in SODO, and the existing 270-person shelter will stay open. Advocates in the Chinatown-International District are now fighting for community outreach and a public safety plan. They plan to hold a rally right here tomorrow at Hing Hay Park starting at 2. In Seattle, Julie Calhoun, King 5 News.